Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu coin holders? My Shiba Inu coin holders, from last 5 to 10 days, my friend, the price is totally going very slowly moving upward. But Shiba Inu will take a very urgent jump, and my friend, you can see here in October 24, you can see it tomorrow. So definitely, you can see yesterday the price will starting pumping, and absolutely you could see here this time if we check out the last 3 days, so you can see here 43% profit. But if we check out the last 1 day results, so you can see my friend absolutely going very good now, not bad. All right, so guys, therefore I told you to in upcoming time there is a lot of chances to the price will more and more pumping, because as you can see here the term and this time you can see the latest condition you can see here of Shiba Inu is on the screen. So absolutely you can see here definitely they will dumps down, but after that they will again pumps up. So therefore I'm so happy and I'm really surprised for all of you now. To this time the Shiba Inu condition is very good and the price will increasing now. All right, here holders, so in upcoming time there is also chances the price will more increase, but definitely when a holder are starting buying, when a holder are starting selling, so absolutely they will completely, my friend, the price will moving upward and fails down, because when a holder are starting buying then the price will increasing, but when a holder are starting selling then the price is completely dumps down. So holders, my opinion is for all of you to please hold down, and my prediction is also going positive. So therefore my advice for all of you to don't starting selling, hold it. I hope in upcoming days the Shiba Inu price will more increasing. See you next time holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.